SAFA President Danny Jordaan and his co-accused suffered a legal blow on Friday. Representations by their legal counsel to have their theft and fraud charges struck off the roll was dismissed by the Palm Ridge Magistrate's Court. Jordaan, SAFA Chief Financial Officer Khotso, and businessman Trevor Neethling are all out on bail. They are accused of using Federation funds to the tune of 1.3 million rand for Jordaan's personal gain. The state hit back that the accused are delaying the start of the case.
The fact is, this is a self-created emergency by the accused. If I were the accused, I would abandon the High Court applications and we swiftly deal with the matter in this criminal court.
This is not the defense's first attempt to get the case dismissed. In December last year, the accused brought a Section 342A application to have the charges against them dropped. Those applications were also dismissed. The state also revealed that it now has new evidence.
How do we dig deep? We had to go now to a company that was hosting the backup data of accused 2 and 4, which company happens to be AfriHost. A Section 205 subpoena was issued, served on AfriHost. AfriHost complied and gave us a 64 gigabyte of information. Basically, all emails that we requested for the period that we requested from 2017 up until the recent period. I can't remember the exact period. It's in the documents. 64 gigabyte data comprising of emails. And as we went through the emails, we even uncovered more damning evidence against the accused persons.
Jordaan's lawyer says that the state informed them that it has 64 gigabytes of information that it will disclose to the defense.
They are not simply amending the wording of the charge sheet. This is material fact which had an impact on the guilt and innocence of the accused. They were charged for theft of up to R1 million, only to find that the monies that were actually paid by SAFA were for hotel accommodation, were not going into anyone's bank account. There was no theft at all. So when they say they're going to amend the charge sheet, we have a history of them amending a charge sheet where they've already portrayed the accused as thieves. Now that cannot be left unchallenged.
Meanwhile, the National Prosecuting Authority adds that the latest revelations could lead to more arrests.
There were matters that were raised by the accused in their representations that then necessitated further investigations, and depending on what those investigations uncovers, the state will take the necessary action. If it means that more people must be arrested, more accused must be added into the matter, or additional charges must be pursued, we will take that step as the state.
The matter has been postponed to the 21st of November for further investigations, while the High Court in Johannesburg will also rule on the legality of the search and seizure operation at SAFA House last year, March. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Khotso at the Palm Ridge Magistrate Court in Ekurhuleni.